The angle of the inclined plane at which a body just begins to slide down the plane is called helix angle. A. True. B. False. The angle which the normal reaction makes with the resultant reaction is called the angle of friction. A. Agree. B. Disagree. The angle of inclination of the plane at which the body begins to move down the plane is called A. Angle of friction. B. Angle of repose. C. Angle of projection. D. None of these. A body will begin to move down an inclined plane if the angle of inclination of the plane is to the angle of friction. A equal to B less than C greater than. Coefficient of friction is the ratio of the limiting friction to the normal reaction between the two bodies. A yes, B no. Coefficient of friction depends upon A. Area of contact only. B. Nature of surface only. C. Both A and B. D. None of this. The force required to move the body up the plane will be minimum if it makes an angle with the inclined plane, thus to the angle of friction. A equal to B less than C greater than. A ladder is resting on a smooth ground and leaning against a rough vertical wall. The force of friction will act A. Towards the wall at its upper end. B. Away from the wall at its upper end. C. Downward at its upper end. D. Upward at its upper end. A ladder is resting on a rough ground and leaning against a smooth vertical wall. The force of friction will act A. Downward at its upper end. B. Upward at its upper end. C. Zero at its upper end. D. Perpendicular to the wall at its upper end. In a screw jack, the effort required to lower the load is the effort required to raise the same load. A less than, B equal to, C more than. Thank you.